Hey guys, this is a hands-on review of Nokia 6 2nd generation. The Nokia 6 2nd generation has a strong build that is made out of 6000 series aluminum unibody with diamond-cut beveled edges. The rear panel of the smartphone has been redesigned, as it features a camera module that is similar to the one available on the Nokia 5. The fingerprint scanner is placed on the front side of the original Nokia 6. However, the 2nd gen Nokia 6 has a rear-mounted fingerprint reader. Since it measures 8.15 millimeters thick, it is slightly shorter and thicker than the original Nokia 6. It comes in color choices like black and silver. HMD Global has reduced the bezels surrounding the display of the 2nd gen Nokia 6. This has allowed the company to feature the same 5.5-inch IPS LCD display in a slightly compact compared to the predecessor phone. The display supports an aspect ratio of 16:9 and screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It sits well protected under 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3. One of its major setbacks of the original Nokia 6 is that it includes a modest Snapdragon 430 chipset. After the Nokia 7, the Nokia 6 2nd gen is the second smartphone from the company to be powered by Snapdragon 630 chipset that features a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. The chipset is supported by 4 GB of RAM. The smartphone is fueled by a 3000 mAh battery that can be charged to 50% in just 30 minutes through fast charging. It will be available in the market in 32 GB and 64 GB storage models. The hybrid dual SIM slot can be used to add a microSD card on the phone. The Nokia 6 2nd gen features the same camera sensors found on the predecessor phone. At the rear is the dual LED-enabled 16-megapixel camera, and an 8-megapixel 84-degree wide-angle selfie snapper is fitted on the front panel. The Bhakti mode that is available on the Nokia 8 and Nokia 7 is also available on the new Nokia 6. The Nokia 6 2018 is preloaded with Android 8.0 out of this box. That is a good thing, so Nokia 6 is the first phone by the company with Android Aria phone. The OZO audio recording that makes use of dual spatial microphones present on the phone can capture 360-degree surround sound. The connectivity features available on the smartphone include USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack, Bluetooth 5.0. As for the price, the 32 GB and 64 GB models of the Nokia 6 2nd gen are respectively priced at 1,499 yuan, $231, and 1,699 yuan, $262. In China, it will be exclusively available through Sudan. It is up for reservations on the Chinese retailer site, and it will be hitting the shelves on January 10th. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.